over 2 to the power negative 2. Okay? So every time you have the power as a negative, whatever you have, be it in the bracket or not, you reciprocate it. For example, if I say a to the power negative 2, okay? A to the power negative 2, it is the same thing as 1 over a squared. So you reciprocate this. In other words, a to the power negative 2 over 1, you reciprocate. 1 comes up, then the squares go down. That's what it means. So you reciprocate. In other words, if I have a to the power negative 1, can also be written as 1 over a. If you are here when I was talking about trigonometry, you understand where this is coming from. If you were here when I was we're looking at trigonometry, you understand that. Okay? And if you have learned about indices, you understand that again. Okay? So, since we have the power negative 2, what is going to happen is that this fraction will reciprocate, meaning the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator, but the power will maintain. So what we're going to have now is, if we reciprocate this, the denominator, which is 2, becomes numerator, and the numerator becomes the denominator. Then we have a squared. So the only different, this one is 3 over 2 to the power negative 2, but this time around is 2 over 3 to the power 2. What I mean is, this is equal to 2 over 3 squared. If your power has no negative, there's no need of reciprocating. Let's say if we had something like this, we say 3 over 2 squared, we don't need to reciprocate, so it will maintain like that. Okay, but since it has a negative, you need to reciprocate. Mean the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. So now, what we're going to have is 2 squared. 2 squared will get a 4 over 3 squared will get a 9. And this is a proper fraction. Be it a proper fraction, these are even number and these are odd number, so we can't simplify this further. So we just leave it like that. Stars, I was waiting for your WhatsApp. I was waiting for stars. Have you seen stars, eh? Oh, stars. So this is how you find such a question, my good friend. Okay? This is how you find